10 Secrets to Make Money Online with the Online Business App. Introduction. Welcome to the world of online business. The internet has revolutionized how we do business, opening up a world of opportunities for entrepreneurs and businesses alike. If you're looking to make money online, you're in the right place. We'll reveal the top 10 secrets to making money online with the Online Business App, so you can start your journey to financial success and freedom. Secret number 1. Find your niche. Finding your niche is the first secret to making money online. A niche is an area of expertise or interest that you can use to create a business. It's important to find a niche that you're passionate about and that has the potential to make money. With the Online Business App, you already have a profitable niche where you will be doing affiliate marketing with their marketplace that pays 25% commissions for life. You will also be involved with buying and selling NFT bull tokens. Thus, you can start building your business. Secret number 2. Build your audience. The second secret to making money online is to build your audience. An audience is a group of people who are interested in your niche and your business. Building an audience takes time and effort, but it's essential if you want to make money online. The Online Business App can help you build your audience by providing tools to create and manage your email list, social media accounts, and website. They also provide training through weekly webinars. Secret number 3. Create valuable content. The third secret to making money online is to create valuable content. Content is what attracts and engages your audience, and it's what sets you apart from your competitors. The Online Business App can help you create and publish high-quality content, such as blog posts, videos, and infographics, that your audience will love. Secret number 4. Monetize your content. The fourth secret to making money online is to monetize your content. Monetization means earning money from your content, and there are many ways to do this. You can sell products in your marketplace and sell NFT bull tokens. The Online Business App provides your affiliate link for your marketplace. They help you find potential clients and customers. Secret number 5. Diversify your income streams. The fifth secret to making money online is to diversify your income streams. Diversification means earning money from multiple sources, which reduces your risk and increases your income potential. The Online Business App can help you diversify your income streams by providing your marketplace an NFT sales platform. They teach you how to build a YouTube channel that can be monetized. Secret number 6. Build your brand. The sixth secret to making money online is to build your brand. Your brand is your identity and reputation, and it's what people think of when they hear your name or see your logo. Building a strong brand takes time and effort, but it's essential if you want to stand out in a crowded market. The Online Business App can help you build your brand by providing tools to create a professional website, design a logo and marketing materials, and manage your online reputation. Secret number 7. Network with others. The seventh secret to making money online is to network with others. Networking means building relationships with other entrepreneurs, influencers, and potential clients and customers. Networking can help you learn from others, get exposure for your business, and find new opportunities to make money. The Online Business App provides a group Facebook page and teaches people to syndicate their Facebook and YouTube posts. You get to network with other entrepreneurs and influencers in your group. Secret number 8. Invest in yourself. The eighth secret to making money online is to invest in yourself. Investing in yourself means learning new skills, improving your knowledge, and growing your personal and professional development. Investing in yourself can help you become a better entrepreneur, increase your confidence, and open up new opportunities to make money. The Online Business App can help you invest in yourself by providing access to online courses, tutorials, and webinars on topics such as marketing, sales, leadership, and personal development. Secret number 9. Track your results. The ninth secret to making money online is to track your results. Tracking your results means measuring your progress, analyzing your data, and making adjustments to your strategy based on what works and what doesn't. Tracking your results can help you optimize your business, increase your revenue, and achieve your goals faster. The Online Business App can help you track your results by providing analytics tools to monitor your website traffic, social media engagement, email campaigns, and sales performance. Secret number 10. Be consistent. The 10th secret to making money online is to be consistent. Consistency means showing up every day, delivering value to your audience, and staying committed to your goals. Consistency is the key to building a successful online business, and it requires discipline, focus, and resilience. The online business app can help you be consistent by providing tools to schedule your content, automate your tasks, and stay organized. Conclusion. Congratulations! You now know the top 10 secrets to making money online with the online business app. Start building your audience, creating valuable content, monetizing your content, diversifying your income streams, building your brand, networking with others, investing in yourself, tracking your results, and being consistent. You can create a profitable online business that provides you with financial freedom and the lifestyle you desire. So what are you waiting for? Get started now by clicking the link in the description below. Start your journey to success today with the online business app. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe to be notified about new videos.